Looking to skyrocket your blog's reach and boost traffic like never before? Say hello to the blogging traffic system, your ultimate key to unlocking the full potential of online visibility. Revolutionize the way you attract visitors and engage your audience with this one-time offer that's not to be missed. No more slogging through complex technicalities or endless content creation. Our system is meticulously designed to focus on advantages that will transform your blog's performance. Gain a competitive edge with our cutting-edge techniques that prioritize results. Experience a surge in organic traffic as your blog effortlessly climbs search engine rankings. Say goodbye to obscure corners of the internet and say hello to the spotlight. Maximize the potential of your content with our SEO-driven approach. Target the right audience at the right time and witness your visitor count surge. We bring you a traffic system that's a game changer for every blogger, whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting. Don't get left behind in the vast blogosphere. Unleash the power of our expertly crafted strategies, tailor-made to boost your blog's visibility across the digital landscape. With our system, your success is inevitable. It's time to take action. Embrace the blogging traffic system now and embark on a journey to blogging success like never before. Empower your blog with the right tools and step into the spotlight you truly deserve. Don't miss this exclusive one-time offer. Elevate your blog's visibility and seize the opportunity to drive unprecedented traffic. Your audience awaits, and the blogging traffic system is ready to lead the way. Click now and transform your blog into a thriving hub of engagement and success.